So, Sonic, you cheated on me, didn't you?
No, I never.
Then why is Elsa and Anna looking at you?
Because they want to date me. I mean, because I made them. I had to get them something. Yeah.
And why are they smiling at you?
They're cheating on. You're cheating on me, aren't you? You loved me since high school. We've been dating since high school. And now, since we're in college, you decided to cheat on me? Oh, that's it. Now you're getting a whooping. Oh, God. Yeah! Never cheat on your old girlfriend. I'm telling you. No! Now I don't want my weapon. Yeah! Don't stop, it hurts. Too bad, it's gonna hurt. Ow! You're getting a butt whipping every time when I come over because I'm still gonna think about you, Jenny. Shit. Yeah. Oh. Shit.
I can't believe you cheated on me, Sonic.
Ow! Stop! Stop! It hurts! Stop!
I'm gonna keep on whipping you until it's nighttime.
Okay, you just got weird.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah! Stop! It hurts!
Move, Whistle Walrus guy.
Stop! You're getting this every time I come over. I don't care. Stop! It hurts.
Yeah. I'm sick and tired of you cheating on me like that. Ugh, you got my hair all messed up now. I look like Blaze or some type of tree or whatever, which I'm not supposed to be like. I like my hair in a ponytail or out. For now, I'm never gonna talk to you ever again. Why would you do this to your old girlfriend? I gotta go.